This is very similar to your CR question. It's slightly different, but we're going to walk through it. In this problem, it says A has a value of -2 and B has a value of -6. So the first thing we need to do is substitute the values of -2 in for A and the value of -6 in for B. So I'm going to rewrite my expression. 1/4 I haven't used yet, so I just rewrite it. 4 I haven't used yet, but in place of A, I need to rewrite it as -2. Notice I used parentheses to show multiplication. I am not going to use a dot because it looks like a decimal. I'm not going to use an X because it looks like a variable. Now I write my minus sign and I write my 3. In place of B, I'm going to write -6 and I'm writing in parentheses to show multiplication. Order of operations says PEMDAS. P starts for parentheses. So I need to simplify everything in the parentheses first. And I'm going to start with these two. 4 times 2 is 8. The signs are different. And when the signs are different and I'm multiplying or dividing, it's a negative. In this case, I have 3 times 6, which is 18. But it's a -3. Yes, we treat this as a negative. And it's a -6. The signs are the same, so I add the 2. Okay, now I need to simplify in the parentheses. So I have 1/4 and -8 and 18. Well, -8, that means I have 8 negatives and I have 18 positives. I have many more positives, so my answer is going to be positive. Now, because the signs are different, I have to find the difference and subtract. 18 minus 8 is 10. Now, I don't know about you, but I recognize immediately that when I take 1/4 of 10, it's not going to be a nice even number, which is fine. I write 10 as a fraction over 1, and remember I'm multiplying here. So this is kind of like one big parenthesis, right? Multiplying straight across, I get 10 over 4. Now, not only is it a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator, but I think they're both numbers that can be simplified. So let's start by saying this. How many times would 4 fit into 10? Yes, 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So if I subtract off the 8 from this 10, I have 2 left, and that's over 4. Now I can simplify that even more because I do know that 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Hopefully this helps.